Hey y'all, we are about to refresh my braids, okay? Because they are looking hideous and I cannot be going out like that for the new year, okay? So I'm just gonna be showing you guys the braids that I'm gonna be doing over today. I really wanted to focus on about 2 rows of braids and I wanted to focus more on my middle part and my edges. I really didn't want to do too many of them because I was like, I'm gonna take these out anyway. I really didn't want this to take me more than like 2 to 3 hours, maybe 4 hours to do. So I took out enough to when it was done, it would look really, really nice and it looked like a new set of braids. But y'all got me looking like O-Dog from Menace to Society. And honestly, please do not come for my edges or my hair. My hair is broken off, y'all. I suffer from postpartum hair loss, and one thing about it, my hair has not went back to how it was before I got pregnant. I've done everything possibly that I can. I definitely have given up on my hair, and I don't want to cut it because I also want to continue to get braids and put braids in my head. Maybe in the new year, I'll probably go to somebody and see what is going on with my hair and ways that I can get it more healthy and just have those spots grow back. But for now, you guys, I'm going to keep putting braids in my head, wigs, all of that stuff. And then y'all know I got to make sure that I do not cut my hair when I am cutting these braids because, child, I done that before, but I'm making sure this time because ain't no way. So I'm taking a wide tooth comb and removing all of the knots that might be in my hair and then any little dirt pieces that might be in my hair that formed when I had those other braids in. It's just gonna make it look a little bit more cleaner and it makes it easier for me to part my hair. When I tell you those parts are gonna be so crisp, honey, listen to me when I say. Y'all better take these tips, honey, because I'm giving them out. And then the reason for using the hair blow dryer is to make sure that my hair is straight. That way it'll just flow into the braid in here. And as you can see, now we have us a brand new base to work with and it's looking really clean. I'm using a rat tail comb and I like to use the one that has the parting part at the top and then just the rat tail at the bottom. That comb is going to be your best friend through this whole process. And then this is the braiding gel that I use. You can also use this for your edges as well. I love this stuff. I'm using the Outre Expressions hair in the number 30 and this is the 42 inches and then I'm also using the number 33. Y'all, I gave up on blending them together, so I've started to just pull a little piece from each section and that's how I blend the hair together to make my pieces for my braids. Because when I say blending took like an hour, I'm not even joking. The first time that I did it took so long. But I'm using my other braids as a guide so that my parts can be even and then just flow with the rest of my braids that I already have in my head. And when I said this comb is going to be your best friend, I mean it. I use the parting part at the top to part my hair. And then I just use a little bit of gel on each end and each side of that section. Just blend it in with my comb and use my rat tail comb. And then that's the part where I'm just going to make sure that the part is crisp and super straight. Just going to start braiding my hair and adding my pieces in. I'm taking a little bit of gel and I just like to run it along the synthetic hair and my hair to kind of blend it together. And then that just makes it look really smooth. Y'all, I have got to invest in a braiding rack or something because putting these parts all over my bathroom is just not the vibe, okay? But you guys can just watch me braid my hair. I'm just doing the same thing over and over for each braid. Once I get to the top, I kind of do it a little bit differently. I run the comb through the hair a few times because that top piece of hair, and you already know if you have thick hair as well, it just helps with making the part flat and it not looking so puffy, and then you'll be able to blend it with the braiding hair. I like to use my Nairobi foaming lotion to put on top of my hair after I am done. I absolutely love the sensation of this feeling. It just feels so good. And I'm making sure to add it to my edges as well so that my edges and stuff can stay flat. I'm going to blow it with a blow dryer just so that it's not wet. I also went and dipped my braids, you guys. When I say dipped, I mean I dipped them in hot water, and then I just went and cut them up to how long my other braids were. And then we're all done. I'm definitely going to do a full tutorial on how I do my braids, which that'll be coming soon because I want to take these braids out and I want to do a new color. I absolutely love this color though. It was actually a real vibe. I really want to learn how to do these braids very well, like perfect my craft so that I can learn how to do them on other people's hair. And then that way y'all can stop asking me in the comments and in the DMs if I can do your hair, because I'm going to say no. Honestly, y'all, I'm working on it. I'm not even going to lie. I'm working on learning how to do braids well so that I can do the others' hair. But that's it for this video, you guys. Let me know if you like these type of videos. I'm definitely going to be coming with the hair videos for sure on YouTube. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to my channel. I love you guys, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.